Stop.
Hi all. Today shall we have a small discussion, case study based discussion regarding the bipolar junction transistor, and we'll take a special case over it, and we'll tell or we'll discuss about how the transistor is acting and how what the case is specifically we are going to discuss about. Okay? Can anyone start?
Yes.
Okay.
Today we are going to present a case study on bipolar junction transistor. A bipolar junction transistor is a semiconductor device used for amplification, and bipolar junction transistor is a semiconductor device used for switching amplification and its application. It is commonly
Ah.
good morning everyone. Bipolar junction transistor is a semiconductor device used for its switching application and amplification. It has three terminal emitter, base, collector. There are two types of transistor, NPN, PNP. Among these, NPN are commonly used in electronic circuits because of their simple and efficiency. It is a semiconductor device used for its amplification and switching application. It has three terminals, emitter, base, collector, and there are two types of transistor, PNP, NPN. Among these, NPN transistors are commonly used in electronic circuits because of their simple operation and efficiency. And BJT is based on controlling current flow. A small current applied at the base terminal controls large current flowing between the collector and emitter terminals. And because of their property, transistor can work as electronic switch or an amplifier. When sufficient base current is applied,
Hello everyone, I am going to explain the working principle of BJT. Working principle of BJT is based on the controlling current flow. When a small amount of current is passed through the base terminal, it controls the large current flow through the between the collector and the emitter. Because of this property, the transistor can act as an electronic switch and also as an amplifier. When a sufficient base current is applied, the transistor turns on. When the base current is removed, the transistor turns off. This simple mechanism makes BJT useful in many electronic devices.
So hello everyone, I am explaining case study problem. In hospitals and industrial systems, automatic monitoring is very important. For example, in patient monitoring systems, alarm must activate immediately during abnormal conditions. Earlier, mechanical switches were used for control systems, but they had many disadvantages: slow response, physical damage due to repeated usage, and lower reliability. To solve these issues, engineers introduced transistor-based switching circuits using BJTs. Now, my teammate will explain the implemented solution.
Solution and the advantages. In the case study, an NPN transistor is used as a alternate switch. Components used an NPN transistor, sensor, buzzer, and power supply. Working when the sensor detects a signal, it gives a small current to a transistor. The transistor switches on and allows to current to flow in the buzzer. Then the buzzer produces an alarm sound. Advantages: fast response, low cost, small size, low power consumption, reliable working. Because of these advantages, BJTs are used in medical devices, automation system, and communication circuits. Now the final speaker will conclude the presentations.
Yeah, hello everyone. To conclude the case study, the BJT, bipolar junction transistor, is a main electronic component that is used in digital devices. So in this case study, we discussed about the working performance and speed and automation of the BJT. So even though advanced devices like MOSFET are available today, BJTs are still using because of their effectiveness and simplicity. It helps students to learn the circuit connections and electronics designs. Thank you.
Okay, I hope we have came to a clear discussion about how the BJT, that is bipolar junction transistor. Here we have the different types of transistor in it. As you told, PNP and NPN are the two types, major types of bipolar junction transistors. and we specifically this transistor is used for the patient monitoring system which is present in the hospitals to monitor the patients. Hence we came to know how this patient monitoring transistor is specifically used for patient monitoring system and how it is specifically designed. Thank you for the discussion. Thank you.
Thank you.